Welcome! If you want to stay updated with the latest games, events, and experiences on Roblox, enabling content recommendations notifications is the way to go. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn on content recommendations notifications in the Roblox app on your PC using the newest update. First, make sure you have the Roblox app open on your computer. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find and click on the one labeled More. This icon usually looks like 3 dots or lines stacked together. After clicking More, a new set of options will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can customize your Roblox experience. Now, look for the Notifications section within the Settings menu. Click on it to enter the Notifications settings. Here, you'll find all the different types of alerts and updates you can receive from Roblox. What you're looking for is mobile push notifications. Even though you're on PC, Roblox groups many notification preferences here, including content recommendations. Click on Mobile Push Notifications to see more detailed options. Scroll through the list until you find Content Recommendations. This feature ensures you get notified about new games, experiences, and updates that match your interests. To enable content recommendations, simply switch the toggle next to it to the on position. Once you've done that, Roblox will start sending you personalized recommendations and updates, so you never miss out on something exciting. And that's it. You've now enabled content recommendations notifications on the Roblox app for PC. With this feature turned on, you'll always be the first to know about the latest and greatest experiences Roblox has to offer. Thanks for watching, and enjoy discovering new adventures on Roblox.